from what here, every sewage line in a Kingston, in a downtown Kingston, does a bus. Every one of them. Does start a overflow. All of them.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I take another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be a friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I just need some closure. I'll pull you close, like you to me, babe. I just need some closure. I need some closure, like you to me, babe. I just need some closure.
What's up, beautiful people? It's here, it's truly 876 by birth, as I just heard in the intro. And right about now, we're downtown Kingston. We're actually on what is East Queen Street, yeah. And we're going to real quick go over Portmore, you know, people. Yeah, man, real quick go over Portmore, you understand? Know the thing go. You see me? Yeah, man, we're there in the Tuesday afternoon, yeah. Yeah. And we have to take good time over there. So it's 1 o'clock right now. 1 o'clock on the dot right now, people. Yeah. And it's hot out here. Hot out here in Kingston, Jamaica, people. You see me? Yeah. And as I say, downtown Kingston. I think the man here drive out a while ago, but he drive out him. That's a pause. Yeah, man, people, it's hot out here. It's hot out here, me. Hot. It's not really a sunny day. I would say it's a today. It's a cloudy day, and then like sometimes it get kind of overcast, so it's kind of humid. Like, you know, yeah, my people. So hot out here, people. But as more I say, yo, big up all of the people, them, you don't know the thing, go. You see me, all of the subscribers, them, all of the viewers, them, you don't know the thing, go. You see me? Yeah, man, we're there, man. All the people, them, always I like the video, I share the video. The people, them, ever comment, you bless up on yourself, you know. You see me, I say, yeah, man, you don't know the thing, go. You see me? We're there, yard, you're there, bird. But just want to say, you big up yourself, you see me? Yeah. We're downtown Kingston, my people, and water day we are run out from the gunga, so people. I tell you, from what day I don't know what happened. From what day, every sewage line in a Kingston, in a downtown Kingston, does a bus. Every one of them does start a overflow. All of them. I don't know, that does seem, I don't know, people. I don't know, yeah, man. Too coincidental. You see me? So right this so you don't know the bus them way. It's a bus park, South Parade, the bus them go Portmore, them place Gregory Park, Greater Portmore. Over this so you get the King Street people. You see me? Yeah. This is King Street. And I think King Street block off people because them have some sentencing thing go on right now, sentencing hearing. Yeah, I think you know some gang child where did go on and sitting, I think them are sentence them now. You see me? All who get found guilty I get them judgment today, you see me? Or the week or so. But they are trying to find a way for go because some lawyer there. But here my people, so right this is actually the Supreme Court. Yeah, so them block it off, you know? Yeah. I drink some water people. Yeah, so I'm a buckle that you just here. So this is actually Orange Street where I go across now.
200, 300. Lady, anything at 2 and 3.
No, they must sell clothes, they must sell when they must tell us 2 and 3. The blouse and them something there. Normally a woman clothes, female. You know? Yeah, downtown Kingston. Today not really shopping day though, you know, people, but no, people just don't here see me all day, every day. Could have turned out. That's the way, people. I can't. Yeah. Yeah, my people. When you're downtown, you have to look out for cat man, you know. It's a one-hand cat man, this. Yeah. But people, as me I tell you, all in our day, the whole of them road, they are flood out. And them fix them still. But I don't know, like all of the drainage, them, well, how long time them drain are the boat still, you know?
Plastic bottles in the drain.
Hard out, it's hard.
Nothing can stop me. Cause I'm addicted to what you and I realize. Lead the way, I fall. No need to say. I fall.
prisoner them are carrying this in people. Yeah, I'm glad I see this now to talk about it. So them actually are bring a prisoner in this. Alright? Them are transport the prisoner. Normally, well, this look like it make for carry prisoner too because inside me see some mesh or something. Alright, to separate the driver from who they're on the back. Alright, normally them carry the prisoner them in some big truck people. See in some prisoner truck. One police are sitting over the passenger side and one a drive. 2 police in there. Now, Jamaica does reactive people and I can't understand why. Why the hell? Saying? Tell me now. Why the hell you transport prisoner? I don't have 2 police. Oh, that makes sense. Make it make sense there for me, please. You transport prisoner, you only have 2 police in there. Oh, that makes sense. Now, when a man decides, say, yo, you see me? He might go for him bridging, he might break out him bridging, because here him bridging I go get sentenced or whatever now. And he might go break out him bridging. And after whatever happen, probably all casualties and them things there. And then them time you know, they might go come out and say whatever. Like we need to be proactive, people. We can't be reactive. We need to be proactive. Why is it we are going to wait till when some guys look on the van there a while ago now. Look on the van there. Tell the truth. 2 police in there. When man come with them high-powered rifle, 2 can load a man. How them 2 police are going to take them man? How them are going to do this? How them are going to defend it? Yo, them need to make the police more better equipped for deal with things. Yeah, set up the police them way there. You see me? And if you have more police, and if you have a pilot car, and if you have a car behind it. You understand? You can't just drive and have it loosely so. Like a cruise by the Sunday morning. I go look breakfast. You know that don't make no sense, Jamaica. Like me I tell you, we not proactive, reactive. That's our nature. That's our culture still. The nature our culture, reactive. You see me? And people may tell you, alright, may I be fair and may I be honest, you know. It's like a big sentence in here where I go on now. When them a transport them money, you know. Them have, you know? Yeah, but oh God man, for every prisoner you have to take the same. Some of them you have to heighten the security level still, you know. You see me? But the level where we security there right now, a joke thing. It's a joke level, you know they are no level. It's a joke level. You know they are no level people. Which part is there? It know they are no level. One big old truck with 2 man in it. Oh, that makes sense. It know they are no level people. So yeah, them are waiting when a man decide to break out him friend and probably have casualties. Then you hear say, all you can hear say, oh, squaddy so and so was a good squaddy and him served umpteen years and John know is a shame and disgrace or railway. No! Give the man them the necessary, you know? Equip the man them properly for take on the work. You see me? Equip the man them properly for take on the work, man. You're gonna hear say how them don't have the resources, blah blah blah. That's like a fool excuse. But if something happens, you find the resources. Oh, that makes sense. Jamaica need to do better, honestly. Because you're a transport prisoner, God he knows which part this man you go. We don't know if he might go on Spain or up 3 miles. We don't know if he might go to Spain. We don't know where he might go. You understand? We don't know where he might go. For the better people, they need for the better, you see me? Yeah man, they need for the better. But tell me one thing still. You understand? Yeah, tell me one thing, you see me? Because to me, it don't make no sense. And wait till when some happen. Then you see them have 10,000 police now. You know, so Jamaica think, so that's the nature of our thinking. You have to be reactive. Yeah, we're pretty much up on the Portmore toll road right now. You understand? Yeah. Make we go across the waters, as them say. You know. Them bus, a new bus where Jamaica get what they are, you know. You look at the destination, them are some Chinese city. You don't know if them can reprogram. But big up the new bus them still. You see me? Yeah. Was badly needed. Need some more too. Alright people, so we just go through the toll booth. 340 for class 1 vehicle, you know. When traveling on that toll road there, you know, the highway, yeah? You pay $340 for class 1 vehicles, you see me? Class 1 are like a regular car, like a sedan. And you don't know a certain SUV. You see me? Like Prado, them high top vehicle you gotta pay a class 2 price. But like regular like a CRV, you know, you pay a class 1 and think them a class 1 too. You get me? Yeah. As you notice, I know I put more mad. Yeah. Portmore tax office there out there, so people. That's why you see so much car park on the side there, so. Yeah, tax office. Sometimes the whole two side of the road full up and be a crowd out there, people. You see me? Yeah. And then as you know, you have the Sovereign Village. You have Sovereign Village, you have Sunshine Palace where the movie theater there out there, so too. Understand? Yeah, you have Sovereign Village, you get me? Yeah. On the left right, I said them a build one Fontana pharmacy, people. Yeah, it's almost completed, you see me? As you can see. And then beside that, we have Price Mart. You understand? Yeah. So yeah, Price Mart over here, son. Alright people, this is how the video gonna come to an end now. You don't know the thing, you see me big up on yourself, you know say I rap. Sorry? Don't know 876 by Bergs. Check out my other channel, Raban Jamaican. Yeah, 876 by Bergs. Go check it out. Type in Raban Jamaican, 876 by Bergs, and go check out my channel. You see what I say? Yeah man. One heap of channel me having people. Go and go check them out. Subscribe to them. They don't really have portion of content yet, but we're getting there. So go and go check them out. You don't know the thing go. Big up on yourself for them people. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. You see what I say? Yeah. All of the good stuff. See? Yeah man, big up on yourself. You don't know the thing go.